Hey gang, Poppy here. I just got home from the hospital. I had my procedure yesterday. I'm feeling much better. I can actually walk 3 steps and not be going although if I start acting a fool I can cause myself a coughing fit. So everything's still semi-normal. Like I said, I'm feeling better. The enforced 3 or 4 days of take it easy. That's going to be hard for me to endure. I mean, I'll have to sit here and watch YouTube, record sulfurous videos about PG&E. I don't know if I can stand it. What they did, they coiled my interior left mammary artery. That got disconnected from my mammary glands in 2005 when they did my 5-way bypass to supply 2 of my bypasses. I figured, hey, I'm not using them tissues. I'm not planning on getting pregnant or nursing a baby, so I'm sorry. I've had that one. I've been carrying that joke since 2005, so boom. Let's see. Well, I'm feeling better. I got home and I'm recording. I'm gonna stop this and watch the replay of Emma's live stream from this morning. I couldn't watch it at the hospital because I didn't take a computer with me and they don't have Roku TV there yet. See a doctor. Get your heart health checked. The life you save will be yours.